Alright everyone, now that you've taught a bit about experimental design, I wanted to share how we designed this year's experiment so that you can compare your experimental design to ours. So first, we created the experiment by placing leaf litter bags containing leaf litter from the areas planted with water savers, areas seeded with water spenders, and the unrestored control plots full of non-native plants at the bowl. Litter bags were placed in 5 replicate plots of each type, so 5 areas planted with water savers, 5 areas planted with water spenders, and 5 unrestored plots. There are 2 bags of each type in each plot, so 10 replicate bags in total. Each water saver plot contains 2 water saver bags and 2 control or non-native bags to compare the effect of both litter types and the site type on the composition. The 5 control plots each contain 2 water saver bags and 2 control bags. Each water spender plot contains just 2 water spender litter bags. The cross placement of the bag is only done between control bags and the water saver bags because our research question about the site where the bags are placed just concerns restored versus unrestored plots, rather than all 3. We're more interested to know how the overall effect of restoring an area on the composition rate with this question. To make sure we're thinking about randomization, the 10 replicate bags were pulled randomly from a pile when deciding which of the 5 replicate plots to place them in. The 10 bags of each type make sure our results are replicated. And for control, we put the same mass of leaf litter inside each bag, use the same material to make the bags, and our experimental plots are the same area and planted with the same amount of seeds. When Kristen first made the bags this winter, she recorded the exact mass of each bag. This spring, it will be your job to come to the bowl and collect the litter bags and weigh them to see which bag lost the most mass or decomposed the most. As you have probably noticed, there are a lot of different ways to set up an experiment. Ours was largely driven by the shape of our site and the fact that we knew we'd have students come to help us. If you came up with a different plan, that's totally okay too. It's still good to go through the process of thinking through experimental design so that you understand what data we're trying to analyze later.